Hi kids! Do you know how clock and time works? Let's find out! A day and a night together make 24 hours. Time is money. Let's see the AM and PM hours. Midnight is when it's 12 AM. 1 AM. 2 AM. 3 AM. 4 AM. 5 AM. 6 AM. It's 7 AM. It is 8 AM. Now it's 9 AM. 10 AM. 11 AM. It's 12 PM now. 1 PM. It's 2 PM. Now it's 3 PM. And now it is 4 PM. That's 5 PM. It's 6 PM. 7 PM. 8 PM. 9 PM. Now it's 10 PM. Next is 11 PM. And finally we are back at 12 AM. We have learned the 24 hours. Now let's see the minutes within the hour. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. 15 minutes. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. 30 minutes. 35 minutes. 40 minutes. 45 minutes. 50 minutes. 55 minutes. 60 minutes. That's 1 hour.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.